Hey there, what's up everyone? I hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Rode VideoMic Pro microphone. Let's go. So I decided to get a shotgun microphone for my Sony A6300 camera. I've been using the standard mic that comes installed with the camera from factory. So I haven't really gotten a nice, professional shotgun mic for it yet. So I decided it was time to do so. So I went ahead and got the Rode VideoMic Pro, which is supposed to be one of the best shotgun microphones for cameras. And I did a little bit of research and comparison between different Rode microphones. This one was one of the most expensive ones. There's going to be links down below in the description to different type of Rode microphones for your cameras. And I'm also going to have a link to this one in case you want to get this one just like me. There's also other videos on YouTube explaining and comparing the recording quality of each Rode microphone. I decided to get the VideoMic Pro because this was one of the best ones. And I really like the sound recording quality of this one over the other Rode shotgun microphones. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And I'm going to go ahead and install it on the camera so that we can compare how it records the mic compared to the mic that just comes straight from the camera, which is the one that I'm using right now. So we're going to go ahead and install it and see if we can notice a difference. Let's go. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and open the box up over here. Let's get it out. Alright, so there it is. It looks like it just comes the microphone with the auxiliary cable right here, which we will install into the camera. And it comes with a manual or a quick start guide right here as well. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we can get from this. Okay, so it has this little lever down here to tighten it onto the camera. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install this onto the camera, and I'm going to keep on recording so that we can see if the sound is any better after we install the Rode microphone. Alright, let's go. Here we have it. I'm actually recording from my iPhone now. So this is the Sony A6300. So how we're going to install it is you actually have to remove this plastic piece right here, pull back on it hard. There you go, and it will come out completely. And then that's where the shotgun mic is going to go. It's going to have this little plastic down here, and this is just going to slip right in there. It's going to go right in there like that. Push it in. There you go. And then the Sony A6300 has it here on the side, the auxiliary input. And we're ready to record. Alright, so the Rode VideoMic Pro is now installed on my camera. So we will see if the mic quality now is better, which I definitely assume it is. This is one of the best mics available at the moment right now. So we'll notice the difference once I start editing the video. And once the video is complete, there we'll be able to notice the big difference. So a couple other cool things that this mic comes with is it comes with a 10-year warranty. So that's a pretty long warranty, 10 years for a microphone. So you're pretty much set as far as the warranty goes. So awesome warranty there. It also says here on the box, it comes with over 70 hours of battery life. Now I did have to get some 9-volt batteries. It takes one 9-volt battery, but it does say on here that with one 9-volt battery, it has about 70 hours of battery use time. And then another cool feature is that it has the settings so that you can boost and make the audio sound louder, and also you can also make it sound a little bit lower if that's what you prefer. So that's pretty much it. This was the unboxing and review of the Rode VideoMic Pro. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you use a Rode VideoMic Pro or any Rode microphone, or if you're thinking about getting one. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.